I've got a phone hack that will make you look like a genius and save you so much time. Let's get into it. And this one involves searching your photos more efficiently. And I've got 3 ways of doing it that can really help you out to find the photos that you're looking for. The reason I'm making this video is because this is something that really kind of affects me a lot, because I will have a customer inevitably talking to me about a plant. And then I'll say, do you have a picture of this plant? And they'll say, yeah, I do somewhere. And then they start just scrolling through their phone. And I'm just standing there, and I immediately regret asking that question, because I'll be standing there for another 5 to 10 minutes while they scroll around looking for the picture. So let's make this more efficient. So let me put this cat down and I'll show you. So all 3 of these tools lie within the Photos app. So we're going to open up the Photos app, and the first one we're going to talk about is the timeline, which connects your photos to the date that they were taken. And this helps a lot of people because they're good at memorizing whenever they went on a trip or whenever they saw something. They can kind of roughly remember, oh, that was June of last year or whatever. So for this, you're going to head over to the left bottom corner where it says library, and this is going to change everything to dates. You can also zoom out right now. And whenever you start scrolling, it's going to tell you the dates of when these pictures were taken and the year. And a lot of people have a good time organizing their thoughts and their pictures by date. Now, the next tool we're going to talk about is by location. And this is my personal favorite way of searching my pictures. So what you want to do is go to the albums, click on albums again, and then you're going to see a bunch of different albums that you can sort through, including one called Places. So click on Places, and it's going to bring up a map of where exactly all of your pictures were taken. So it uses the geo data that your phone records automatically while you're taking pictures, and it's incredibly specific. So if you're wanting to think about maybe a trip you took to somewhere or a plant you saw at a specific place, you can zoom in and it will show you all of the areas where you have traveled. We're going to go to Aquascape's headquarters, which is outside of Chicago, Illinois, and I can just zoom right in on the map on it because I wanted to show something from there. And it's just a really cool tool for remembering specifically where you saw something and how to bring that photo up, even down to specific streets or parts of your property. Now, the last tool we're going to talk about resides at the bottom right corner of the Photos app, and that's the search function. So you can hit search and you can type in almost anything, and it will find all of your pictures in your catalog that have to do with that phrase or word. So if I want to look up poinsettia pictures because we are wanting to promote our poinsettias, I just go in here, type poinsettia, and it will bring up all of my pictures, 238 pictures that it thinks have poinsettias in them. And then I can go through and select which one I want to look at or promote. So yeah, I hope this will help you to optimize and utilize all of the tools that your phone has at its disposal so that you can find those pictures quickly and easily and make your life a little bit better.